Alright, so I got a 2014 F150 STX. Came with halogen lights from the factory. Bought OEM FX4 HIDs and the Morimoto HID to stock factory wiring harness. All is good except those Morimoto ballasts or igniters or whatever the hell they're called suck. I'm on my fourth one this year, and tonight my high beams actually work for about a millisecond, and then that happens if I keep it pulled back for the flash to pass. If I push it forward for full high beams, you get a flash and then they go off, and I got nothing, not even fogs, because, you know, it's acting like I got high beams. But I can do this, yay. And it cycles from driver's side to passenger side, and if you see it, you'll see it, it goes left, right. This Morimoto product is shit. 4 ballasts in 1 year, 5 in 3 years, and now they don't even return your phone calls. Well, hell, their phone number doesn't even work. You can't even call them on the phone. Verizon says it doesn't exist. You send them messages, now they're not even returning them. It's been 2 weeks since I sent my original message asking for a replacement of this replacement that I have in the truck now. Garbage.